What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to go over our dividend stock portfolio, which is currently sitting just under $24,000 right now. If you guys are hyped for this video, please make sure you smash that like button. I really do appreciate that. Also, if you want to join the family and follow my journey, hit that subscribe button right down below. I really do appreciate everyone. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate you all. But enough talk. Let's hop right into the video. So, as you can tell, Friday was a messy day. Down over $500, over 2% on the day. But in the past week, we're sitting at just down about $340 or so. So, on Thursday, at the CPI data, we had this nice kind of little rally, and then it started to fall again towards the end of the week. But we lost about 1.4% on the week or so. Now, there was really not much to show you, honestly. Nothing really happened this week. I did receive a dividend on Friday, which will be reinvested tomorrow. Since today is Sunday, it will be reinvested tomorrow. And I did buy a few more shares of Realty Income, or maybe not a few more, just another share or so, about maybe like a share and a half, I think it was. So now I'm sitting at currently 56.8 shares of Realty Income. My average cost is pretty damn high compared to this price, 66.97. This price really just, if it came tumbling down, it's sitting at really a nice buy right now. But I'm down about almost 17%, about $636. But Realty Income is the dividend I received on Friday as well. We're going to take a look at it. So we bought, here it is exactly, we bought $75 worth of Realty Income, which was 1.33 shares. Now we are going to take a look at the dividend that we got from them, which was $13.75. So that will buy a little bit of a share as well, which will probably be able to bring our total amount of shares to over 58 or 57 shares rather. So very exciting there. September was kind of a slow month. October was a slow month for dividends. I'm not really receiving much. I do have my monthly dividends, and I have JP Morgan coming in. But we'll go over more of that when the dividends do start to roll in. But let's go over to the portfolio. And of course, as always, we did buy our weekly purchase of SCHD of $75. So now we have currently 7.5 shares of SCHD, down about 3%. This is about 2% of my portfolio right now. We are going to try to get it to about 5 to 10%, in between there. 5 to 10% would be a good range for me, in my opinion, for SCHD. Now we're going to hop over to the spreadsheet. Remember, this spreadsheet is from Ryan Williams. If you guys don't know who he is, make sure you go check him out. Ryan Williams. Our cost base is sitting just under $30,000. Our market value is just under $24,000. We are receiving annual dividend income of $1,464.64, and our dividend yield is sitting at 6.13% right now, which I know you guys may think is high, but personally this is what works for me. I do have a lot of high dividend payers, but I also have some quality, nice dividend growth stocks in there, with Microsoft and Target as my latest two ads. So my dividend income goals, by the end of 2022, I'm looking to get $1,500, and I'm almost 98% of the way there. And my 5-year dividend goals is $5,000, which is, I'm about almost 30% of the way there. Let's take a look. So September was a nice month for dividends. October, unfortunately, is not going to be that nice in the dividend range. But remember, let's take a look at this. We are still over 100% from what we received in 2021, and we're going to be about 10x by the time this year ends of what we received in 2020, which just absolutely blows my mind. Here's a look at my diversification. So as you can see, AT&T stock really went from a pretty decently sized position in my portfolio to now just about 6.3%. As the price goes down, this will keep coming down. Remember, I'm not adding any more to it. I'll just be collecting the dividends as they come in. Microsoft is sitting at 4.8% of the portfolio. I do want to bring that up a bit as this price comes down. Target is sitting at 6.1% of my portfolio. I would like to also get that to about 10%. That would be a good position sizing for me. Zim, not adding any more to that. That's sitting at just over 1% of my portfolio. We have Ford at 5%. Apple sitting at 13.3%. I want to get that to about 15% or so. Intel sitting at 11.5%. Intel, I really am looking to add more. Realty Income at 13.2%. Another one I really want to add more of. QYLD sitting at 9.8%. I'm pretty happy with it there. About 10% is what I was looking for my high dividend payer. And we have AbbVie sitting at 9.3%. Not adding to AbbVie right now just because I think there's a few better prices on the market in some other stocks. But let's take a look at my covered call income. So last week we received $19 in covered call income, and actually that I did not record it for last week. So let's do that right now. I was just looking at that on October 3rd. That was 2 weeks ago. So let me just take a look here and see exactly how much we earned in covered call income right here live on the video. So we got, what was it, the 9th to, or the 10th rather, to the 14th, I believe it was, to the 14th. So let's add that right now. Beautiful. Let's center that. And we made a total of $21. So not too shabby there. We're going to add our little dollar sign right in front here and center that as well. So $21. And let's take a look at how much we've made for the total of 2022 so far. We're going to change this to 5. Boom. Add it. Total of $358 in covered call income for 2022. And remember, we just started this in June. So this is going to be about 6 months total for 2022. So whatever this is, you can double it for next year. And now this is just income that is going to be rolled into more dividends, which will be rolled into even more dividends. So this is really a crazy dividend snowball that's occurring here, and I'm very excited to see it. Right now, I know is a perfect time to invest a lot of money, but I am saving for a specific reason, which I will let you guys know on the channel soon enough. I'm just not letting anyone know right now, but there is a reason that I'm saving money. Otherwise, I would be really pouring into this portfolio because this is a really good time to add money. It's just what I have going on. It's unfortunate with this timing in the market. But with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video here. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. And I really do appreciate it. If you guys want to follow my journey, we're going to get this portfolio to $100,000 and more. So make sure you follow this journey, man. What are you doing? Tell me about your journey down in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.